The Premier Garage Door is a fully automated roller door designed specifically for your home. Blending the convenience of power operation with smooth vertical opening and the benefits of insulation, our Premier Garage Door offers the perfect solution for any garage. Manufactured from foam-filled aluminium lath, which is available in 15 standard colours and 5 wood effect foil finishes. We're confident there's a Premier Garage Door to suit your requirements and enhance your property. Controlled by an intelligent rolling code remote control system, operation is simply effortless. Premier Garage Doors are manufactured using the highest quality components, are CE compliant, and safety is never compromised. With our unique style and features, Premier Garage Doors are fast becoming the homeowner's choice. Call us free on 0800 389 4279 to arrange a quotation.